dog's not working. I'm going to see if I can do this without taking the entire skin out. Normally I take the whole skin out, but I got a unit here that's ready to go and wanted to try to do this in place. So I got my ratchet set here. And we'll pull that here out. That is perhaps a little bit better to replace agitator dogs the way I've shown you in the past, and that you can make sure there's no coins or anything underneath the agitator itself. But this is another way you could get it done. I did it this way on this one because the unit was ready to go and I didn't want to get things dirty. Wound up getting them a little dirty anyway. So check out my other videos on how to replace agitator dogs for different ways, different methods. And just shaking the agitator a little bit can reveal if there are any coins stuck underneath, and then you can just slip them out by hand. Pull it up, but I'm going to try to leave the post on here and see if we can just pull just the portion up. Well, it went flying and made a little mess anyway, but that's okay. Anyway, there's our deal. There's our little O-ring. We don't want to lose that O-ring. That kind of prevents stuff from going down the center. So we'll put that back. And we've got all our little pieces of the agitator dogs. And now here's the new agitator dogs. Just thought I'd show you a different way. It's not necessarily any better, not necessarily any worse, just another way to get the job done. You know, there's always different little tricks to speed you up. This is a very often occurring deal, as you can see by the many different videos I have. So if you want to see a different way to do it, check my other videos. But now what we're going to do is we're going to turn this portion upside down. And we're going to hold this part together, flip it around. Going to line up our tabs with our locking deals here. If these break off, it's not super critical because the bolt will actually hold it down as well. But just so you know. Okay. Got to hold them together, put it back on. There we go. And now it agitates properly, like it should. Okay. And it's also held in place with our deal, which also has its own gasket. But now between those gaskets, that'll prevent a leak from the bottom of the system, at least from that point. Now we'll take our ratchet set. We don't want to over tighten this, we just want it snug. And so once it turns the bottom of the bin, we're good. That's tight enough. Now we've got our cap here, which also has its own ring. Just see this water out of there. And get the trash out of here. There we go. Now our washing machine is ready to run. Back in the mix. That's just another way to get it done. Thanks for watching Kung Fu Maintenance. And another nice thing, because this job comes up quite a bit, is I marked with a little arrow where my wheel goes, and it just makes it nice and easy in the future to find it. Real simple. Maybe time to clean things out a little bit there, but that's another story. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it.